Good morning and Jai Swaminarayan. Let us move ahead in our mathematics subject for class 7th, chapter number 9, rational numbers. It's a very easy chapter, and for this chapter, I have prepared a separate note which I will be sending you along with this video. Right? Now look over here in that notebook. You already know what are natural numbers. That is, they are also known as counting numbers. They are denoted by the symbol capital N. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and up to infinity. Similarly, whole numbers. You have already learned about this also. Whole numbers is denoted by symbol W and start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. In grade 6, you have already learned about integers. It is denoted by symbol Z. It includes negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Now, let us move ahead and let us learn what are rational numbers. So, you can see over here, a rational number can be defined as a number that can be expressed in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers, that is, they may be either positive number or negative number, where Q is not equal to 0, that is, denominator should not be equal to 0. For example, 4 upon 5, minus 3 upon 4, etc. are the rational numbers. Example, integers 100, minus 6, 0, etc. are rational numbers because these can be expressed as 100 upon 1, minus 6 upon 1, 0 upon 1 respectively. Thus, rational numbers include integers and fractions. Right? Similarly, what are equivalent rational numbers? This will include the equivalent fractions which you have learnt in our previous grade. Two rational numbers P upon Q and R upon S are said to be equivalent if P multiplied by S is equal to Q multiplied by R, that is cross multiplication is equal, then they are called equivalent rational numbers. For example, the equivalent rational numbers of minus 2 upon 3, that is, we have to multiply and divide with the same number, we will get minus 4 upon 6. If we multiply it by minus 5 upon 5, we will get minus 10 upon 15. Thus, minus 4 upon 6 and minus 10 upon 15 are the equivalent rational numbers for minus 2 upon 3. That is, by multiplying the numerator and denominator of a rational number by the same non-zero integer, we obtain another rational number equivalent to the given rational number. This is the same as that we have learned the term for equivalent fractions. Now, what are positive and negative rational numbers? Rational numbers P upon Q, whose numerator P and denominator Q are positive integers, or P and Q both are negative integers, is a positive rational number. For example, 3 upon 5, 5 upon 7, minus 2 upon minus 5, minus 5 upon minus 3, etc. are positive rational numbers. Similarly, what are negative rational numbers? Rational numbers P upon Q, whose numerator P or denominator Q is a negative integer, is called negative rational numbers. For example, minus 5 upon 7, 8 upon minus 3, minus 9 upon 7, etc. are negative rational numbers. Here, keep in mind, the number 0 is neither a positive nor a negative rational number. Now, let us see rational numbers on a number line. You know very well, on a number line, positive integers are on the right hand side of 0, negative integers are on the left hand side of the 0. While marking integers on number line, they are marked at equal distances from each other. That is the distance between 0 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, or either 0 and minus 1, minus and minus 2, minus 2 and minus 3. The distance between all the integers must be equal. Also, from 0, the distance of 1 and minus 1 also from 0, that is the distance between 1 and minus 1, 2 and minus 2, 3 and minus 3, etc. must be the same. Now, we have just expanded the number line, that is 0, 1 and minus 1. Of course, in between 0 and 1, 1 upon 2, that is half is there. In between 0 and minus 1 upon 2 is there. In the same way, the rational numbers 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2 would be at same distance from 0. Now, to mark 3 upon 2, we first mark 3 upon 2 on right side of the 0. Here you can see 0 upon 2, that is 0, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2, that is 1, 3 upon 2 and 4 upon 2 is 2. Similarly, on left hand side, that is on minus side, minus 1 upon 2, minus 2 upon 2, that is minus 1, minus 3 upon 2, minus 4 upon 2, that is minus 2. Now, let us first know as between which two integers these numbers lie. So, we write the rational numbers with denominator 2. That is 0 is equal to 0 upon 2, 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 2 is 1, 3 upon 2, 4 upon 2, that is 2. This same thing we have already seen on the number line a few minutes back. Similarly, minus 1 upon 2, minus 2 upon 2, that is minus 1, minus 3 upon 2, minus 4 upon 2 is minus 2. This shows that 3 upon 2 lies between 1 and 2, whereas minus 3 upon 2 lies between minus 1 and minus 2. Here you can see again on the number line. That is 3 upon 2 lies between 1 and 2 on the number line, and minus 3 upon 2 lies between minus 1 and minus 2 on the number line. Now, as we learn in fractions, the simplest form of fractions, we are going to study about simplest or lowest form of the rational numbers. A rational number p upon q, where q is not equivalent to 0, is said to be in simplest form or lowest form if p and q have no common factor other than 1. This same thing we have also learned in previous grades for chapter fractions. For example, 3 upon 7. Here the common multiple will be only 1, that is common factor will be 1. Minus 103 upon 5. Here also common factor will be number 1. Similarly, 19 upon 115. Here also a common factor will be 1. Now, standard form of rational number. A rational number is said to be in standard form if its denominator is a positive integer and the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. For example, 3 upon 5, minus 5 upon 7, 8, 2 upon 7, minus 7 upon 11. All these numbers, here you can see the denominator is a positive number and the common factor between the numerator and denominator is only 1. Now, write down the note. To reduce the rational numbers to its standard form, we divide its numerator and denominator by their HCF, ignoring their negative sign. Now, comparison of rational numbers. To compare two rational numbers, p upon q and r upon s, by equivalent rational numbers with same, that is positive denominators, and then compare them. Another procedure to compare two rational numbers with unequal denominators is as follows. First, write the two numbers, that is p upon q and r upon s, in the standard form. Second step, below p upon q, write the integer s multiplied by p, and below r upon s, write the integer q multiplied by r. That is, you have to just cross multiplication and write in this way. Now, compare the integers s multiplied by p and q multiplied by r. If s multiplied by p is less than q multiplied by r, then p upon q is less than r upon s. This same thing you have also done in fractions. To compare two negative rational numbers, we must compare them ignoring their negative signs and then reverse the order. That is, to compare minus 7 upon 5 and minus 5 upon 3. First compare 7 upon 5 and 5 upon 3. Here negative sign has been ignored. Here we know that 7 upon 5 is less than 5 upon 3. Thus, minus 7 upon 5 is greater than minus 5 upon 3. Now, rational numbers between two rational numbers. Please understand this part very carefully, as it will be used while calculating our sums. There are infinitely many rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. For example, find the rational numbers between minus 3 upon 5 and minus 1 upon 3. So, first we find out the equivalent rational number having equal denominator. That is, we have to make these denominators equal. that is minus 5, minus 3 upon 5 must be multiplied by 3 upon 3, that is minus 9 upon 15, and the second number minus 1 upon 3 is multiplied by 5 upon 5, that is we get minus 5 upon 15, so that the denominator in both the cases becomes equal. Now choose the integers between two numerators minus 5 and minus 9 of the equivalent rational numbers. So we choose minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. Then the rational numbers minus 8 upon 15, minus 7 upon 15 and minus 6 upon 15 are such that minus 9 upon 15 is less than minus 8 upon 15, is less than minus 7 upon 15, is less than minus 6 upon 15, is less than minus 5 upon 15. Or we can write down the original number of minus 9 upon 15, that is minus 3 upon 5 over here, is less than minus 8 upon 15, is less than minus 7 upon 15, is less than minus 6 upon 15, is less than minus 1 upon 3. If we consider minus 3 upon 5 is equal to minus 3 upon 5 into 6 upon 6 is equal to minus 18 upon 30, and minus 8 upon 15 is equal to minus 18 upon 15 multiplied 2 upon 2, that is minus 16 upon 13. Then minus 18 upon 13 is less than minus 17 upon 13 is less than minus 16 upon 13. Thus minus 3 upon 5 is less than minus 17 upon 13 is less than minus 8 upon 15, that is putting the original rational numbers over here. Hence we get minus 3 upon 5 is less than minus 17 upon 13 is less than minus 8 upon 15 is less than minus 7 upon 15 is less than minus 16 upon 15 is less than minus 1 upon 3. Now moving ahead to exercise 9.1. Here in this question, 3 sums I have done, only one sum you have to do as your homework along with the same method. Now question number 1, list 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. So following the previous procedure, first find equivalent rational numbers having same denominator. Here you can see minus 1 we can write as minus 6 upon 6 and 0 we can write as 0 upon 6. So the integers minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 lies between the numerator minus 6 and 0. Minus 6 and 0 of the equivalent rational numbers minus 6 upon 6 and 0 upon 6. Therefore, the rational numbers are minus 5 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6, minus 1 upon 6, such that minus 6 upon 6, that is minus 1, is less than minus 5 upon 6, is less than minus 4 upon 6, is less than minus 3 upon 6, is less than minus 2 upon 6, is less than minus 1 upon 6, is less than 0 upon 6. Or we can write down minus 1 in place of minus 6 upon 6. These numbers will be same, and the last one 0 upon 6 is 0. Hence the 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0 are minus 5 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6 and minus 1 upon 6. Similarly, we have to find 5 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. So again we have to find the equivalent rational number having the same denominator. Now minus 2 can be written as minus 12 upon 6 and minus 1 can be written as minus 6 upon 6. So the integers minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7 lies between these two numbers minus 12 and minus 6 of the equivalent fraction numbers minus 12 upon 6 and minus 6 upon 6. Therefore, the rational numbers are minus 11 upon 6, minus 10 upon 6, minus 9 upon 6, minus 8 upon 6, minus 7 upon 6, such that minus 12 upon 6 is less than minus 11 upon 6 is less than minus 10 upon 6 is less than minus 9 upon 6 is less than minus 8 upon 6 is less than minus 7 upon 6 is less than minus 6 upon 6. Or we can replace this minus 12 upon 6 along with the original number, that is minus 2 is less than minus 11 upon 6 is less than minus 10 upon 6 is less than minus 9 upon 6 is less than minus 8 upon 6 is less than minus 7 upon 6 is less than minus 1. Therefore, the 5 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1 are minus 11 upon 6, minus 10 upon 6, minus 9 upon 6, minus 8 upon 6 and minus 7 upon 6. Third sum. Find the rational numbers between minus 4 upon 5 and minus 3 upon 2. Again we have to make the denominator equal. Thus minus 4 upon 5 can be multiplied by 9 upon 9, which results to minus 36 upon 45, and minus 2 upon 3 can be multiplied by 15 upon 15, that is result to minus 13 upon 45. Now the integers between minus 30 and minus 36 are minus 35, minus 34, minus 33, minus 32 and minus 31 of the equivalent rational numbers minus 36 upon 45 and minus 30 upon 45. Thus, the rational numbers minus 35 upon 45, minus 34 upon 45, minus 33 upon 45, minus 32 upon 45, minus 31 upon 45 are such that minus 36 upon 45 is less than minus 35 upon 45, minus 34 upon 45, minus 33 upon 45 is less than minus 32 upon 45, is less than minus 31 upon 45, is less than minus 30 upon 45. Or writing the original number, that is minus 4 upon 5 over here, and write the same digits except minus 2 upon 3 in the last. So we will get the 5 rational numbers. Question number, sum number 4 will be your homework. Question number 2. In this question, there are 4 questions. Out of 4, I have already solved the 2. Rest 2 you have to do as your homework. Write 4 rational numbers in each of the following patterns. The first number is minus 3 upon 5. The second is minus 6 upon 10. The third is minus 9 upon 15. The fourth is minus 12 upon 20. Next 4 numbers we have to find out. Now here you can see minus 3 upon 5 is the rational number in the lowest form. So finding the equivalent rational numbers, multiply divide by 2, again multiply divide by 3, again multiply divide by 4, we will get minus 6 upon 10, minus 9 upon 15 and minus 12 upon 20. The next 4 number will be again multiplying it by the same rational number, 5 upon 5, 6 upon 6, 7 upon 7, 8 upon 7. We will get minus 15 upon 25, minus 18 upon 30, minus 21 upon 25, minus 24 upon 20. Thus, the required 4 rational numbers are minus 15 upon 25, minus 18 upon 30, minus 21 upon 25, minus 24 upon 40. Sum number 2 and 3 you have to do as your homework, which is equal to sum number 1. The same method of sum number 1 you have to do in question number 2 and 3 sum. Now, question number 4. Minus 2 upon 3, 2 upon minus 3, 4 upon minus 6, 6 upon minus 9. We have to write down the next 4 rational numbers. Here minus 2 upon 3 is the rational number in its lowest form. Here you can see minus 2 upon 3 is multiplied by minus 1 upon minus 1. So the result is 2 upon minus 3. That is, we can write down minus 2 upon 3. Similarly, 4 upon minus 6, we multiply it by minus 2 upon minus. We here factorize to the lowest form. That is, factors of 4 are minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 and factors of minus 6 are 3 multiplied by minus 2. So on cancellation of minus 2 and minus 2, we get minus 2 upon 3. Again 6 upon minus 9, we have to write the factors of 6, that is minus 2 into minus 3 and 3 into minus 3. Cancelling minus 3, we get minus 2 upon 3. Here you can see we are getting the same equivalent number. The next 4 numbers will be minus 2 upon 3 multiplied by minus 4 upon minus 4, that is 8 upon minus 12. Minus 2 upon 3 multiplied by minus 5 and minus 5, that is we get 10 upon minus 15. Similarly, multiplied by minus 6 upon 6 multiplied by minus 7 upon 7, we get 12 upon minus 18 and 14 upon minus 21. Thus, required 4 rational numbers are 8 upon minus 12, 10 upon minus 15, 12 upon minus 18, 14 upon minus 21. Right? From question 3, we will do in our next lecture. You have to write all these sums in your maths notebook along with the notes. A PDF file will be sent to you along with this video. Bye bye for now. Take care. Stay safe.